Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can disable Windows security in your Windows 10 or 11, which can help if an application is being blocked. So there are two main steps. So first, you can disable the virus and threat protection. So open the Start menu and search for Windows security in the search bar. Hit Enter on your keyboard to launch it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection from the left-hand side of the screen, which is between Home and Account Protection. Scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings and turn off the real-time protection. Simply toggle this option off and you'll be done. You can also try disabling the Windows Defender Firewall. So go to the Start menu again and search for Windows Defender Firewall. On the left side, click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Give administrative privileges and then select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for both private and public network settings. Click on OK to save your changes, and this will disable Windows security in your Windows 10 or 11. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.